Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely disassembling the laptop and preventing any static damage to the components. Start by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery by sliding the release latch and lifting it out. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair process. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components. Inspect the motherboard for any visible damage, such as burnt areas or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it may be necessary to replace the motherboard entirely. However, if the damage is minimal, you can proceed with the repair. Before continuing, it's worth mentioning that if this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the issue for you, ensuring you receive the best advice. Next, carefully disconnect any cables attached to the motherboard. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently lift the connectors, ensuring you do not damage any pins. Once all cables are disconnected, you can remove the screws securing the motherboard in place. Keep track of these screws as they will be needed for reassembly. After removing the screws, gently lift the motherboard out of the chassis. Take this opportunity to clean the internal components using compressed air. This will help remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated, improving the overall performance of your laptop. If you need to replace any components on the motherboard, such as capacitors or resistors, ensure you have the correct replacements. Soldering may be required, so if you're not comfortable with this, consider our collection and delivery at your home service. We can pick up your laptop, perform the necessary repairs, and return it to you without any hassle. Once you have completed the necessary repairs or replacements, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the motherboard back into the chassis, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect all cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. Before replacing the back panel, it's advisable to test the laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Connect the power supply and turn on the laptop. If it powers up without issues, you can proceed to replace the back panel. Align the back panel with the chassis and press down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, replace all screws to secure the back panel. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. In conclusion, repairing the HP 15sfq5124ns motherboard can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home. No calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.